He is brushing his hair with comb. He is brushing his hair with comb. Child is splashing in puddle. Child is splashing in puddle. Child is getting dressed. Child is getting dressed. She is feeling happy with batik. She is feeling happy with batik. She is playing violin with music notes. She is playing violin with music notes. She is wearing hijab and reading book. She is wearing hijab and reading book. They are riding bicycles and waving. They are riding bicycles and waving. He is wearing new shirt. He is wearing new shirt. An angry little boy is screaming. An angry little boy is screaming. He is standing on the scale weight. He is standing on the scale weight. Group of children is running together. Group of children is running together. He is climbing the tree slowly. He is climbing the tree slowly. She is playing game on gadget. She is playing game on gadget. He is holding a heart smiling. He is holding a heart smiling. Anchor at desk with microphone and laptop. Anchor at desk with microphone and laptop. She is drawing colorful picture. She is drawing colorful picture. He holds the fishing rod and fish. He holds the fishing rod and fish. She is very excited to eat cake. She is very excited to eat cake. She is showing strength ANF healthy lifestyle. She is showing strength ANF healthy lifestyle. She is thinking with hand on chin. She is thinking with hand on chin. She is watering the plant. She is watering the plant. She is refusing to eat vegetables. She is refusing to eat vegetables. He is flying a colorful kite. He is flying a colorful kite. She is stretching during exercise. She is stretching during exercise.